Okay, number 29, take 2. Messed up the first time. Okay, Jorge is parasailing 360 feet above the water, so the H will be 360. He fell at an initial velocity of 12, so that's my velocity. How long will it take till he hits the water? We generate this equation. We need to graph it. The graph, if this is your X and Y axis, the graph's going to start at the 360, go a little up, and then it's going to go down here. We want that ordered pair, don't we? This ordered pair is where he will hit the water. So we're going to take the calculator in here. We're going to go to graph, which is B. And then I'm going to hit menu. I want a graph, which is 3. And I want to graph a function 1. Or I could hit the tab button. And then I'm going to type in my equation. So negative 16 x squared plus 12x plus 360. Do I have it right? Yep. So hit enter. I got my graph. Now then I want to trace and find that point, don't I? So I'm going to hit menu, trace 1, and I'm right here. I'm going to click this. This is the maximum feet that he's going to get. Keep hitting the right arrow button until you get to the 0. Notice that my Y is getting smaller. The 196, 163, 128, 90. Keep hitting the right arrow button, and right here I get my 0, which is at 5.13 seconds. So at 5.13 seconds, I'm at 0. So this right here would be 5.13 seconds. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 30. Mary's building a frame for later. Picture she pictured if the length of the frame is 12 more than the width. So draw your rectangle. Make the width X and the length is 12 more than the width. That's X plus 12. The surface area equals 85. So we're going to have width times length equals 85. So I'm going to get X squared plus 12X equals 85. I'm going to go over here, make it X squared plus 12X minus 85 equals 0. I can factor this. So the multiples of 85 that's subtracted give me 12. So I got 1 and 85. That doesn't work. 5 goes to the 85, doesn't it? 5 times 17, ding, 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 ding. That's it. 5 times 17 is 85. I subtract and get 12, don't I? So draw my factors. I'm going to get an X plus and an X minus. The biggest number is 17, then 5. My roots would be X equals, the opposite of plus 17 is negative 17. The opposite of negative 5 is 5. So this right here is going to be the number I plug in. It's a positive. So I'm going to have 5 plus 12, which is 17, and 5, right? So my rectangle is 5 by 17. And what do I want? The length. The length is going to be the biggest number or the biggest dimension. The length would be 17. So my length equals 17 and the width would be 5, wouldn't it?